Hi, it's Chris. In this video we're going to be showing you how to remove and reinstall the top panel on your Whirlpool belt dryer. Now, to remove the panel on your Whirlpool dryer, it's very easy to do. It's actually only going to require a basic tool, either a 5/16 nut driver or a Phillips screwdriver will do the same thing. Keep in mind, if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. Now, probably the main reason you're going to be looking at removing this top is, one, if you need to service something inside the machine, or perhaps it's gotten a dent or scratched and you decide you want to replace it for cosmetic reasons. So now that you have the power turned off to the dryer, the next thing you're going to want to do is be able to access the back of it. So you're going to need to either pull the dryer out a little bit or pull out a lot and turn it around. If you have to pull it out a lot, then of course you're going to have to remove the dryer venting and put it back on when you're done. Now that we have the dryer turned around, there's just two screws that have to be removed. And again, you can either use a 5/16 or a Phillips screwdriver. Today I'm just going to use a Phillips screwdriver to remove them. Now that the screws are removed, it's just a matter of taking a little grip on the sides of the panel, wiggling it and pulling it back, and then lifting it right off, and it's out of your way. Reinstallation is just as easy. Just going to bring the panel into place, slide it forward, give it a little tap, and now just put the screws back in. So there you go, it's just that easy to replace the top panel on your Whirlpool belt dryer.